The second update in the December 2021 release is related to accommodations. Now, instructors have more options or more granularity when it comes to extending the time a student has for each of the tests within their course. So, previously, before the December 21 release, instructors had a few options available to them. I think it was 50%, 75%, and unlimited time. Might also have been maybe 50% and 100%. And so now instructors can actually come in here and actually adjust the percentage. So instead of just using those predefined parameters, instructors can choose a custom percentage and input. So we could do maybe 20% or 40%, or we can select unlimited time. And what's nice about this is as this gets applied to this particular student, Mark is going to get 20% extra time on all of his assessments across the entire course that makes use of the timer feature instead of having to go into every single assessment and just give extra time for that one off activity. So, nice welcome change. This is some feedback that we've heard through the community, and so we're happy to be able to provide this update to provide more flexibility around the time limit accommodation.